I'm going to start with the equation 244 plus 257. And so first I'm going to do an estimation, and I'm going to round these numbers up to a friendly number, or down to a friendly number. So 240 would make this more of a friendly number, plus 260. So then you would take the 200 from here, and you take the 200 from here, and you would take the 40 and the 60. From there, you're going to add up your 200s to 400, and your 40 and your 60 to 100. Add those together, and that will give you the sum of 500. So this is my concrete example. I have 244 plus 257. So you'll see here there's 200 blocks, and then there's 4 of the 10 blocks, so in the 40s place, and then 4 ones. This one, there's 200 down here, there's 5 of the 10s, and then there's 7 ones. So if we take these and we combine the ones, we always start on this side. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So we can take those away and bring in another block. And now we're going to go to our tens place, and we can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So all of these can go, and we'll bring in another 100. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 500. 0 tens and 1 ones. So now we're going to add that up together to equal 500 plus 0 tens plus 1 equals 501. So now we're going to do the symbolic method. So we're going to start by breaking apart 244. So we're going to go 200 plus 40 plus 4. And now we're going to break apart this part too, the 257. So we're going to go 200 plus 50 plus 7. Now we're going to take it and we're going to add our hundreds places together. So we're going to go 200 plus 200 plus, now we're moving to our tens, 40 plus 50, and now we're going to move to our ones, 4 plus 7. Now we're going to add our 200s, which gives us 400. We're going to add our tens, which gives us 90. We're going to add our ones, which gives us 11. So now we're going to go and add 490 is 490 plus 11, and then we know that this equals 501. Personal strategy using a number line. And so we look at 244, that's what we would start at, and we're going to add 100. So that would be our first jump. We're going to add 100, and now we're at 344. And we know we've added 100, now we can add another 100 because it's 200. So we'll make another jump, 100. So then we're at 444. And now we can't take any more hundreds. We look at our tens place, and we can probably do a 50 jump. So jump 50. And that'll give us 494. Now, we've used all of our 50s, and we can add a 7 for another jump. And go up. And now, if we're adding 7, that will take us to 501. And so then we know that 100 plus 100 is 200 plus 50 is 250 plus 7 is 257, which is this number, and then we get the answer. When we think back to my estimation, we know that it was 500 that I estimated, and the answer is 501, so our estimation was very close. It was only 1